Brent, welcome back to the channel. What do we got
Happy to be here.
We got some comments about that one.
I know.
Today we're bowling on the channel for a $100 bet. An action match per se. A real $100 bet. It's a race to 2, much like the PBA. So if we tie one game, then we'll go to a 9th and 10th frame roll off for the 100 bones. And nothing is better than winning Brent's money. We're gonna be doing some more action matches. Me and Brent are gonna be teaming up from here on out. If you guys wanna challenge us, all you gotta do is hit me down below. There's a link to my email, thebkhouse300@gmail.com. You can hit us there for an action match request, minimum $100, and you get to be on the channel. And if it's a large enough bet, we'll go live.
Yeah, you're supposed to go first.
Okay. Oh no. Oh my God. Loosen up the body. Yeah.
It's a good pair.
It's a great pair. I've shot a couple 8s on here. So where you shot 899?
899. Very nice, very nice.
My right butt cheek is a little sore.
No elaboration, eh? I didn't post my shot. Kids, post your shots.
More of a wrap 10, but we like those. Can't really do much about a wrap 10.
Just gonna put the best score out there I can, you know? Beat the board.
I'm not even gonna worry about the score. I'm just gonna worry about the quality of shots that I make and making sure that my score is ahead of his.
Good angle. Good angle, using the sidewalls to your benefit.
Let's go.
I don't know if I've got that one. Ball's gonna have to pick up a little earlier.
There's nothing he can do about that one. Nothing he can do.
Oh! Oh! Wasn't my best work there. This is the virtual energy blackout. Very nice.
Did you ever have an original virtual energy?
Virtual gravity I had. I had 4 of them. Bought a whole case of them. They were good. Okay. Very nice balls. Very nice. You, sir, are a professional.
I'm just gonna put this out there right now at the beginning. I would rather not bowl against Brent. So if we could get a doubles pair or even a singles that would like to bowl against Brent and I, we will bowl you for any amount of money. What's the maximum? There is no maximum. Let's do it.
Oh, baby!
What's the minimum amount of money that we'd bowl for?
100.
Okay. Yeah, minimum bet would be $100
A man.
per man. So
Yeah.
if you're bowling us singles versus our Baker game, it's got to be $200.
I'd like a $1,000 match.
Okay.
I like the idea of a $1,000 match. That
If it was $1,000
make a couple
match,
truck payments.
if it was $1,000 match, we'd do it live, best of 7.
It's a good workout.
'Cause it's 4 games for us.
You didn't love it, did you?
No, actually, the thing is, one of the issues is actually I did like that shot, and it just hooked. But kind of like yours did. If I were you, I would make like a move, big move, maybe a 6 and 3. I'm throwing a Brunswick ethos. Back-to-back 800s.
That ball makes me look good.
I did just finish telling Brent that I've been bowling bad for a while now. I do have back-to-back 800s.
Oh.
I really would hate for that 7-1 to cost me if we both run it off the sheet and you get 9 in the fill. Oh no! Did it again. Ay, ay, ay.
Easy. Okie dokie.
I call this one the hammer hazmat.
That was nice. That was nice. He's already looking for game 2 ball reaction.
Yeah, you never know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna need 2 misses in the next 3 frames from you, and I just don't know if that's gonna happen. Maybe a 7-10 would be best option for me.
Pretty good. I posted it.
You bowled on this pair.
It's a good pair. It's a good night.
36 frames and you only missed once. Yeah, Brent shot 899 on this pair, house record, so I obviously have given him the advantage by choosing this pair. What lane did you miss on? Did you miss on 8 at least?
I think I missed on 7.
That's even better.
I like that ball.
I like that ball too. That ball's shooting 300 next game.
Did we talk about a 300 bonus?
No, but there usually is a 300 bonus.
Very nice.
Lively.
Very nice.
Lively pit there. We did have a 300 on the channel 2 weeks ago. Braden Malish, also known as That's Crazy. Dude, that's crazy. 7-10.
Wide. Wide. Oh boy.
I just, that was such a good shot.
You want to switch to lane 7 for the next game, or?
Nah, 300, next game.
Glad you dressed up for the event today.
This is a team's pair. Oh, 8-baggers, all right. One of us has them.
Teaching gym class. Would you ever go back to gym teaching?
Yeah, if I keep bowling like this.
A nice little forward roll there. Nice adjustment.
Gotta put more effort.
Can we just
into
skip
this
to the next game?
Game 1, I got spanked right butt cheek. 269, 212. I'm coming back this game.
Yes. Bringing home the bacon, Quinny. Yeah, I don't even have my glasses on.
This pair's hooking. It's hard to control. If I move in, my ball doesn't jump as much. If I move left, it jumps a bunch. I just gotta be better. I just gotta be better than Brent, because Brent is way matched up right now.
Slow enough. Never gets old.
Striking?
I'll still take you as a doubles partner.
I could find somebody else. Very nice.
Colton Rossetti with 800 out here Wednesday night. Saw where he was at there at the end.
Dave?
I've had a hard time out here.
I've had an easy time out here lately.
I know, not I. I had 630 in our post bowl sesh on Monday with a $180 to wrap it up.
Coming back to the strong ball. Stronger. A little faster ball speed, a little more rotation. Try and get the ball down lane somehow. If I win this game, we go to a 9th, 10th frame roll-up.
Oh, it's a good shot. I liked it.
I'm glad you liked it.
Boy, it's getting warm in here.
Your forehead's getting a little sweaty.
Yeah, glistening.
Oh,
boy.
Jesus. What happened?
Oh,
Sweaty?
I just, you know.
Sweaty?
No, just
Dump? Out of practice?
all of the above. Very nice, very nice.
I just have to focus more. That's all it is. Just a little more focus so I can allow Brent to throw it wherever he wants and beat me by 10. I don't know if he's good at getting me off my focus or if it's just he's well prepared in the warm-up game.
High quality shot. That was a high quality
Yeah,
shot.
just throw one good one, that way I can watch it wrap 10 again. Please!
Oh, that's wide over there.
Jesus.
Oh, can't throw them too good. They wrap 10.
Can't throw them too good because then you just burn up a spot.
Rocio Restrepo, when
many
she got here from
people-
Colombia You know, she'd average 210 on sport and 190 on house because she was too accurate.
And you can create different shapes on the sport shot pretty easily. It's hard to change your shape on the house shot.
I don't know anything about sport patterns.
Doesn't surprise me.
House Joe or Wichita Toe. I'm not sure what's embroidered on my boxers now.
Hook. Okay.
Ooh, the old Jimmy Jam.
A little bit left.
Yep, we both got away with one there.
I think our definitions of getting away with one is different. It's still beautiful off the hand.
Golly. Golly.
That was a good one. That's tough. It's a good shot though. What did you just say? You can't throw them too good? They wrap 10?
That was a good shot.
Lead change. Do you make the adjustment off the good one? Or do you just bank on throwing them everywhere?
Oh, I don't know.
That was a good spare shot. Those 2 good shots in a row.
I do feel like I don't like being in the middle. I'd prefer to be way far left or way far right, but going right's not much of an option right now.
That shot was way better than my last one. That was flat. I would also call that one perfect off my hand. This is a tough thing about bowling right here. Technically, I should be down. I've missed more times than you.
All about timing. It's all about strings. 8 baggers. Pushy, pushy. Go. But the count and everything, oh golly gee.
Looking like me last game on that one.
Yeah.
Like when you're inside like that, I mean the slightest.
I'm gonna have to go left.
Just a little better shot here. Did not miss that one.
The Yami. Hey, nice shot.
I tried to move in a little bit with the eyes, pinch it in, and the spank on it at the bottom was definitely unintentional. That was really good. Looked like a professional bowler out there.
Very nice. Oh! Yeah, he's feeling it, folks. Nice job.
Don't touch me. It's because he didn't just beat me.
This is not great. Not great. Clearly an amateur. Guess we're going to a final showdown, eh?
You guess we're going to.
Gonna make me earn this one. Very nice, very nice.
Thanks. Welcome to the roll-off. Would you like to go first or second?
No, sir, you, please, you.
So if I go first,
I'm sorry.
I bowl the 9th, then you bowl the 9th and 10th.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I'd like back-to-back shots.
Bad shot. Good results. Matched up. You know, sometimes you just pop up on it a little bit. The thing is, when I pop up on it, I get a little better ball roll. It's like I tilt it a little more forward. It's beautiful.
Oh. Mercy. I liked it. Ay, 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 ay.
Ball change?
No, sir.
So guys, I can officially win it no matter what happens, but a double's huge from him. Double makes me double.
Okay. Okay, got it off the hand right.
That's pretty good. That's a strike.
Ah. Donate to the fund.
Well,
sorry, Quinn. Gonna need you to work overtime. Doggone.
strike to claim it.
That is right. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay. he's a professional bowler. I mean,
Just built different.
why do I keep doing this to myself?
2 days from now, maybe 3, we'll have Brent back on the channel and we'll give him a chance to earn his money back and more with a little 20-pound bowling ball challenge. We're gonna be doing some more action matches. Me and Brent are gonna be teaming up from here on out. If you guys wanna challenge us, all you gotta do is hit me down below. There's a link to my email, thebkhouse300@gmail.com. You can hit us there for an action match request, minimum $100, and you get to be on the channel. And if it's a large enough bet, we'll go live. But for right now, me and Brent teaming up from here on out. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.
You're weird,
Peace.
man.